In your 20s, every dollar counts. And being savvy about investing early sets the foundation for your financial future. Imagine in just a decade, those small, consistent contributions can lead to significant wealth accumulation. As you learn the ropes of investing, remember that patience and discipline can pay off immensely. Start today, embrace the journey, and your future self will thank you for cultivating this important habit. Investing isn't just for the wealthy, it's for anyone willing to take the first step. It's essential to recognize that building wealth is not an immediate process. It requires a commitment to consistency and a willingness to learn from each experience. Developing the habit of regularly investing, whether through micro-investing apps or more traditional methods, can significantly enhance your financial landscape. Additionally, surrounding yourself with insightful resources will help reinforce your understanding and keep you motivated on your journey to financial independence. Remember, every small step you take today is a crucial building block for the wealth you desire in the future. Starting with small investments empowers you to harness the potential of the stock market without feeling overwhelmed. These incremental steps pave the way for learning and adapting your strategy. As you grow more seasoned, consider setting aside a small amount from your paycheck, specifically for these investments each month. This method neutralizes the fear of losing significant amounts of money, while allowing you to experience the market as fluctuations. Celebrate small wins along the way, as each successful investment decision, no matter how minor, contributes to your financial literacy and confidence. Moreover, revisit your goals regularly, ensuring they evolve as you progress in your investment journey. Ultimately, it's about building a mindset that prioritizes growth, learning, and resilience to market changes, traits essential for long-term success. Investing today means taking control of your financial future tomorrow. Don't let fear hold you back. Investing is not just a number on a screen, it's about your values and aspiration. Think of the impact your investments can have on your future. Whether it is securing a comfortable retirement, buying your first home, or fostering a life of financial freedom, talk with friends or family who are already investing. Their experiences and stories can provide valuable insights and encouragement. Join online forums or local investment groups where you can share knowledge, ask questions, and gain confidence as you navigate your investment journey. Remember, community can amplify your learning and keep you accountable. Stay curious and know that you're not alone in this pursuit. To unlock your potential for wealth, you must be proactive and insightful. Transforming obstacles into opportunities, a crucial step is embracing calculated risk. Assess what level of risk aligns with your comfort zone and financial goals, as it influences your choice of investment vehicles. Creating a balanced portfolio that reflects your risk tolerance can mitigate potential losses while positioning you for long-term growth. Each investment not only serves as a financial stake, but also as an avenue for learning. Every market shift can teach you invaluable lessons about resilience and strategy in finance. Don't shy away from seeking advice, as mentors can offer perspectives that enhance your understanding and inspire confidence in your decisions. The journey of investing can be both exhilarating and daunting, especially for those just starting. Embrace the learning curve, knowing that the mistakes you encounter are opportunities for growth. Connect with investment communities for support and guidance, as they can provide insights to help you navigate complex decisions. As you develop your strategy, make sure to celebrate milestones, no matter how small. Each represents progress in your financial literacy. Be inspired by success stories, and let them fuel your motivation to secure the financial future you envision. Most importantly, stay committed to your goals and remember that consistent, mindful investing will yield rewards that compound over time. In conclusion, whether you're starting with a few dollars or a significant sum, the most critical factor is to begin. Embrace the tools and strategies at your disposal, stay committed to consistent investing, and adapt as you gain experience. Your financial future is within your control, and by taking these steps today, you're setting yourself up for profound success tomorrow. Remember, every great journey begins with a single step. So take yours now and start building the wealth you deserve. Investing is akin to planting seeds. It requires time, nurturing, and the right conditions to flourish. As you venture into this world, it's crucial to stay updated about market trends and economic shifts that can influence your investment choices. Engage with educational materials and connect with financial experts who can help clarify your understanding and provide tailored advice. Embrace each learning experience, whether it's a gain or a setback, as part of your unique financial journey. Building wealth takes resilience and a growth mindset, allowing you to adapt and seize opportunities as you progress in your investing endeavors. In your quest to build wealth, remember that investing is an ongoing process rather than a one-time event. Engage with others who share your interests and goals, as their insights can expand your understanding and provide comfort in challenging times. Regularly revise your investment thesis and consider seeking professional guidance when necessary. Your adaptability and willingness to learn will empower you to refine your strategy, ultimately allowing you to take calculated risks that align with your long-term objectives. Embrace this journey with enthusiasm, knowing that you're setting the stage for a prosperous financial future. Investing isn't merely about money, it's about crafting the life you envision step by step. The first step towards a successful investment journey is to acknowledge your feelings about money and risk. Everyone has different perspectives shaped by their experiences. So take time to reflect on what investing means to you personally. A clear understanding of your values and what you want to achieve financially can guide your decisions. Set tangible goals, whether that's saving for a dream vacation, purchasing a home, or preparing for retirement. By aligning your investments with your aspiration, you create a motivating context for your financial growth. Remember, investing is not just about numbers, it's about building the life you desire, allowing your money to work for your dreams. Investing in your 20s may seem intimidating, but it's an opportunity to shape your financial destiny early on. Consider your future self and the aspiration you hold, as every little investment adds up over time. Begin by familiarizing yourself with the basics of finance, exploring how each investment type aligns with your goals. Engage with resources, books, podcasts, or online courses to enhance your knowledge and confidence, enabling you to make informed decisions moving forward. Surrounding yourself with like-minded individuals can also foster a supportive network, helping you stay motivated as you embark on this important journey. With determination and perseverance, you'll cultivate not just wealth, but the skills for a prosperous future. Investing isn't only about immediate financial returns. It's a pathway to achieving your life's dreams. By starting now, even with minimal amounts, you empower yourself to create a brighter future. So, gather the knowledge you need, set realistic goals, and dive into the world of investing, whether through apps or traditional accounts. Remember that each decision strengthens your financial foundation. Make it a habit, embrace learning, and watch as your efforts compound over time, transforming today's actions into monumental rewards for tomorrow. Keep pushing forward, stay curious, and you'll navigate this journey with confidence, continuing to build a life that reflects your deepest aspiration. Now that you understand the importance of starting early and setting clear goals, let's dive into the practical steps you can take. Remember, it's about making informed decisions rather than relying on trends. As you begin, think of your investments like a garden. Nurturing them with knowledge and patience will help them flourish. Don't hesitate to explore various investment avenues, ensuring that your choices resonate with your personal values and long-term aspiration. Each small action you take today is a vital part of your financial journey, leading you closer to the wealth and freedom you envision for your future. Start by exploring micro-investing apps like Acorns or Stash, which allow you to invest your spare change or purchase fractional shares. By starting your investment journey today, even with just a few dollars, you empower yourself to build a secure financial future. Embrace the tools, connect with the community, and remain committed to learning and adapting your strategy as you grow. The time to take action is now. Each step propels you toward your dreams. If this video gave you value, please share it with a friend, hit that like button, and make sure to subscribe for more videos like this. Your support helps the channel grow and reach more people who need this information.